Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Digital marketing is one of the most essential skills these days. I have decided to create a digital marketing free course especially for business owners and startups so that they can understand all the fundamentals of online marketing and grow their business faster. So hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora, and in this video I will be going to discuss why online marketing is essential for every business. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, this complete course will be free for all, and I will be going to upload more than 25 to 30 videos in this series. So whenever if you want to learn more, you can if you are watching this video later, you can just check out our playlist. Here are the discussion we will cover in this video. Basically, what is online marketing, the history of marketing, consumer attention, and traditional ads. So these are the 4 topics we will cover in this video. So let's start with the Bill Gates quote. And if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of the business. So Bill Gates has said almost 10 to 15 years ago that the internet is the next big thing, and every business need to adopt the change in internet. So that is why having your business on the internet is very much important these days. So now let's get started with what is online marketing. Most people believe that online marketing is really a complex subject, but it is really very simple. The basic thing is promoting product or services on the internet is called online marketing. There is nothing more rocket science in digital marketing. Whatever you promote on the internet, whatever you share on the internet is a part of online marketing. Now let me give you a very simple example. If you are a cake baker and if you want to sell your cakes, if you want to take orders, what you will do is you will put a status on your WhatsApp in which you will mention that if anyone wants to order a cake, I will make the cake. So this is also a part of online marketing. Online marketing can be done with written words, videos, images, and podcasts. So these are the 4 major areas where most of the marketers prefer to promote businesses. After the internet revolution by Reliance Jio, the number of internet users has increased significantly, and still it is increasing. So it is always better to leverage all the internet platforms for your business. So here are the different ways to promote business. As I just discussed that there are mainly 4 ways, that are videos, images, written words, and podcast. So where will you upload and where will you get a decent audience, whatever you need? So for video content, YouTube, Facebook Watch, LinkedIn, Instagram TV, and Twitter is a very good platform. When it comes to images, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and Twitter are better platform for image based content. When it comes to written content, websites' own blog is very much important, and it drives traffic from organic search that we will cover later in this course. LinkedIn articles also generates a good amount of organic traffic as well. Podcast, that means audio blog, in which Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast are very good platform to promote and market your business. So now let's understand the history of marketing. From 1950 to 1990, newspaper, radio, and television ads are the main thing in the market. So these are the 3 areas where majority of business used to promote their business. But these days they have so many options. From 1990 to 2006, businesses started making their own website, and also they also started promoting their business on paid ads from Yahoo and Google. From 2006 to 2020, as of now, if I'm talking about, Facebook and Instagram is a very, very good platform. So this is the history of marketing, where we can see that the shift from traditional ads to digital ads we can see. These days more people prefer digital ads over traditional ads in developed countries, because these are very cheaper and it drives massive amount of revenue in your business. So now let's understand about consumer attention. Consumer attention is very important thing when it comes to promoting any product or service. So where there are more people, that means the market is bigger. So as we all know that there are billions of users in Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and all such platforms, right? That is why it is very essential to have a digital identity for your business. These are the reason you need to have a digital presence for your business. If I talk about numbers, according to SimilarWeb, people spend nearly 58 minutes a day on Facebook. That is a really huge numbers. And let's say if I talk about traditional ads, that includes radio, television, and newspaper ads. So most people do not prefer to consume 1 hour, 2 hour, or maybe 30 minutes in consuming radio, television, and newspaper, right? So that is why it is very essential to keep our eye that the 58 minutes is the average minute spent on Facebook. If I talk about Instagram, it is a 53 minutes. So people have been spending more time on Instagram. Now YouTube is at 40 minutes. People spend 40 minutes on YouTube, and that is a really huge numbers. And if I talk about WhatsApp, people prefer to spend at least 28 minutes on WhatsApp. So these are the things we should keep that in mind, that this is a very big market to promote business. So based on these numbers, we can predict that people love internet. There are so many people in rural areas that still use feature phones and they don't use internet. For the last 3 years, people are shifting their feature phones to smartphones and started using internet. According to Statistica, India is the second largest online marketplace, having 460 million internet users, behind China. By 2021, this number will reach to 635.8 million users. So that is a very huge market. This simply means the personal data on the internet is increasing. When people use social media and Google search, there is so much information captured by such platforms. And we all know that internet users in India is increasing day by day. The more users, the more data, and the more prospected clients. Besides, digital ad platforms such as Google and Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter provide such features that can easily boost your business. Why? Because they give us options to target our prospected consumers. The most important thing about digital platforms is the costing of marketing. Now let's talk about traditional ads. So as we discussed earlier, that the traditional ads include radio ads, newspaper ads, and television ads. The disadvantages of traditional ads are no tracking facility. These ads are expensive and less attention seeker. Now, no tracking facility means, for instance, if you have an e-commerce website and you want to know that how many users have visited checkout page. So such things you cannot check if you have done traditional ads. These are very expensive because newspaper, television, and radio ads are very expensive compared to social media and Google search ad. Traditional marketing is costly. Also, it is very difficult to target people from traditional ads. For instance, we cannot easily target users on TV ads and newspaper ads. That means television ads and newspaper ads watched by kids, youngsters, and old age people. Simply, we cannot target based on the age and interest of users. That is why, to increase your business, it is necessary to use digital services for marketing. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Do share with your friends and tell them to join this free digital marketing course for business owners and startups. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.